Meta is finally looking out for those who wear prescription specs with their new AI smart glasses. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. According to a Bloomberg report, 2 new models of Meta Ray-Ban AI glasses are on the way, and they're going to be catered towards those who use prescription lenses. While these are supposed to be announced next week, Bloomberg noted that these won't be a new generation of Meta smart glasses. You can already add prescription lenses to Meta Ray-Ban's AI glasses, but the upcoming models will come in rectangular and rounded styles and will be sold through traditional prescription eyewear channels. Bloomberg didn't specify how these new glasses will be any different from existing options, but noted that it's the first time Meta and Ray-Ban are releasing a pair of AI glasses specifically designed for this demographic. The 2 models are likely the codenamed products Scriber and Blazer, which were first spotted by The Verge in filings with the Federal Communications Commission. The filings describe the devices as production units, meaning Meta could be close to the actual product launch. Judging from the filings, it's unlikely these upcoming prescription AI glasses will have a display like the Meta Ray-Ban displays. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has also hinted at AI glasses that are meant for prescription glasses wearers in a previous earnings call. Zuckerberg previously said that billions of people wear glasses or contacts for vision correction, and it's hard to imagine a world in several years where most glasses that people wear aren't AI. So we can say that almost all prescription glasses users might be using AI glasses in the future. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.